right. Well, here we is, I guess, eh? It's 5:30 in the morning. Yeah. How are you? And it is Wednesday, September the 17th. Wednesday, September the 17th. In the year of our Lord 2025. Yeah. And I'm getting great head boops from Rocky. You give the best head boops, you know. You do. You're a very good head booper. He's an expert head booper, this cat. He is, you know. He does the best head boops in the whole world. You do. I'm very impressed with your head booping activity. I am. Yeah. Anyway, it is Wednesday, and there's going to be another day of working on the on the porch, eh? We got to work on the porch, Rocky. What do you think, eh? Will we work on the porch? What do you think? Working on the porch? Yeah. We might have to do that, I'm telling you. Anyway, that's partly what we're going to do today. Yeah. The other part of what we're going to do is I got to do the dishes today, because I got dishes piled up everywhere and they're falling down because the big mountain of dishes is very unstable. So it's time to do dishes as well, eh? We got to do dishes today, Rocky. What do you think of that? Will you help me with the dishes? Yeah. Okay, we'll do dishes today too, eh? You can help me with the dishes and with the porch, both of those things. Because those are both going to be our activities for today. The porch is coming along nicely. Oh, yeah. It is. And what else, Rocky? What else is going on? Do you know what's going on? Got a mouthful of cat fur. Anyway, good morning, everybody. And Rocky and I will see you later. Yeah, maybe we'll see them later. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye for now.